Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you how you can fix all the errors regarding audio on your PC. Sometimes it happens that no sound is coming from the internal speakers of your laptop. So I am going to tell you how you can fix this all in today's video. So guys, method number 1 is that you have to just hold in Windows plus R key. This will take you to run app. Type in there services.msc, click on OK or press the enter key. This will take you to the services app. Now just click on any one of them. Just type in WIN. It will take you to Windows Audio. Just check it that its status is running and startup type is automatic. If it is not, just double click that, select automatic. Just stop it and start it again. Click on apply, OK. Then you are done, guys. If this method does not work for you, so finally which method worked for me, because I had tried all the fixes given on YouTube, given on Google, but none of them worked for me. So this fix I tried on my own and it worked. Now right click on the start button, click on device manager, select sound, video and game controllers. Right click on the speakers you are facing the problem with, click update driver and then select browse my computer for drivers. Then select the second option, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on that, select the high definition audio service, click next. It will say that Windows does not recommend using them, but you have to click on OK, install them, then just reboot your PC and you will be done, guys. Your fail to play test tone, audio service is not responding, sound not coming from your internal speakers of your laptop, computer, all will be fixed. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe.